This section will focus on excellent researchers, labs, and centers in the underrepresented groups for data science. We will introduce scientists and their research centers and labs from underrepresented groups. Dr. Barrett Jefferson, a data scientist from Pacific Northwest National Laboratory, developed a method that can interpret data relationships to consistently cover an area using only 4 points. The study used power generator data, but the approach could also benefit city planning, environmental monitoring, cell phone tower placement, and any other instance where resources must be spread out to service an area with disparate needs. Dr. Byron Gaskin, an emerging leader in data science fellow from National Institute of Allergy and Infectious Diseases, Oak Ridge Institute, paid efforts in the area of machine learning, emerging technologies, and AI ethics. He is an active developer of data science, machine learning, and artificial intelligence technologies, with deep expertise in real-world applications and theoretical underpinnings. Dr. Jamika D. Bush leads learning and research for conversational AI, developing insights that inform our understanding of human experiences for our customers and our design products and technology partners. She is also a part of the Artificial Intelligence Design team that supports the Conversational and Intelligent Agent (ENO) at Capital One. She is co-founder of Black Compute Hair. BlackComputeHair.org, pronounced Black Computer, is transforming computing plus tech education and workforce development for Black women and girls. Dr. Ayana Howard received her BS in Engineering from Brown University, her MSE from the University of South California, and her PhD in Electrical Engineering from the University of South California, Los Angeles in 1999. Her area of research is centered around the concept of humanized intelligence, the process of embedding human cognitive capability into the control part of autonomous systems. This work, which addresses issues of human-robot interaction, learning, and autonomous control, has resulted in over 180 peer-reviewed publications in a number of projects, from scientific rover navigation in glacial environments to assessive robots for the home. Dr. Caleb Kemmerer, assistant professor from Electrical and Computer Engineering at Rice University, focuses on real-time neural engineering. His team designs systems to interact with complex neural circuits in vivo in behaving rodents. These systems enable us to explore how information is processed, stored, and retrieved in both healthy brains and in models of human neurological diseases and disorders. The experimental neurobiological topics we focus most on are understanding memory and the mechanisms of deep brain simulation. Accordingly, they did a significant amount of pure neural interface technology development, as well as building software and embedded tools for data analysis and experiments. Professor Hossein obtained 5 degrees from the Massachusetts Institute of Technology (MIT), including a PhD in electrical engineering and computer science. After his graduation, he briefly worked at Bell Laboratories before returning to Trinidad, where he worked at UWI as a lecturer in the Department of Electrical and Computer Engineering. Presently, Professor Hossein is the CEO of the Trinidad and Tobago Network Information Center (TTNIC), which manages the .tt top-level domain. He also personally supports the hosting of websites and provides domain names for over 100 schools in Trinidad and Tobago. He also personally supports the hosting of websites and provides domain names for over 100 schools in Trinidad and Tobago. He is also active in the area of open data and has set up and manages open data repositories, data.tt and maps.tt for Trinidad and Tobago. After a very fulfilling international career, he is now a professor of computer science at UWI. He recently redesigned the MSc in computer science and replaced most of the courses with new ones that better reflect the need of the country, mobile computing and cloud technologies. He is also active in a project on smart grids and one on the use of ICT for agriculture. He is a senior member of the Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineers and has been honored by the NHEST as an icon in science. He is also a member of the U.S. Honor Societies Tau Beta Pi, Sigma Xi, and Eta Kappa Nu. Was nominated for the Ericsson Inventor of the Year Award in 2004. Brenda Darden Wilkerson serves as the president and CEO of AnitaB.org, an organization that connects, inspires, and strives for greater equality for women in technologies, in business, academia, and government. She founded the original Computer Science for All program, building computer science classes into the curriculum for every student in the Chicago public schools, and serving as inspiration for the Obama administration's National CS for AI initiatives. Dr. Gradison's career started as a software engineer in Jamaica. He received a Bachelor of Science degree in Computer Studies, Computer Science and Economics from the University of West India in 1997, a Master's degree in Software Engineering in 1998, and a PhD degree in Computer Science from the Imperial College of Science, Technology and Medicine in London in 2003. Dr. Grandison has over 25 years' experience in software engineering, security and privacy. His work in database security and privacy has been internationally recognized as pioneering and impactful. In addition to relational data privacy and security, he has created and successfully led research and product initiatives in RFID data management, privacy-preserving mobile data management, private school network analysis, text analytics, and healthcare management systems. He has authored over 100 technical papers, co-invented over 47 patents, and written several books, including Practical Privacy Protection Online for Free, Trust Management Middleware for Internet, Applications Combining Trust, Recommendation, Trust and Experience, and Cybersecurity Risk Assessment for Business. Renee Cummins, criminologist, criminal psychologist, AI ethicist, and AI strategist. She is committed to diverse and inclusive AI strategy development, using AI to empower and transform communities and cultures, securing diverse and inclusive participation in the 41R, helping companies navigate the AI landscape, and developing future AI leaders. Joshua Peterson is a director of AI infrastructure at NVIDIA Leading Engineering for Rapids.ai, and a former White House Presidential Innovation Fellow. Prior to NVIDIA, Josh worked with leading experts across public sector, private sector, and academia to build a next-generation cyber defense platform. His current passions are graph analytics, machine learning, and large-scale systems design. Josh also loves storytelling with data and creating interactive data visualizations. Josh holds a BA in economics from the University of North Carolina at Chapel Hill and an MA in economics from the University of South Carolina, Moore School of Business. Josh Peterson, NVIDIA's Director of Engineering for Rapid Software Libraries for Data Science, provides his perspective about data science and the opportunity for data scientists to have a positive impact on society. He talks about NVIDIA's culture of solving challenging problems and giving opportunities to employees of all backgrounds to do their life's work. This video was created in partnership with HBU House and U.S. Representative Alma Adams, North Carolina. For PVAMU, we will mention two centers, namely Credit Center and CCSB Center. Credit will focus on more general tasks of data analysis, such as machine learning-based big data analysis, while CCSB will pay more attention on biomedical data analysis. Dr. Li-Jun Chen is a Regent Professor and holds the AT&T Endowment in the Department of Electrical and Computer Engineering at Prairie View A&M University PVAMU. He is also the director of the DoD Center of Excellence in Research and Education for Big Military Data Intelligence, Credit Center. Before joining PVAMU, he was a member of technical staff in the Networks and Science Research Department of Bell Labs at Morrow Hill, New Jersey. He is a visiting professor of Aalto University, Finland. He has published more than 160 papers in journals and peer-reviewed conferences. His research interests are in the area of big data processing, artificial intelligence, wireless communication and mobile networks, network security and intrusion detection, and computational and systems biology. Today's military analysts are faced with the monumental and escalating task of handling massive volumes of complex data from multiple sources. To enhance their ability to more effectively and efficiently process data, a multidisciplinary team of researchers from Prairie View A&M University established Center of Excellence in Research and Education for Big Military Data Intelligence, CREDIT. The center's mission is to accelerate research and education in predictive analytics for science and engineering to transform our ability to effectively address and solve many complex problems posed by big data. The center will bring together sensing, perception, and decision support for mission-critical applications of DoD. Credit Center will build partnership with DoD labs, government agencies, and business to focus on research data analysis and educating and training students to become data scientists and engineers in the future, data-centric economy, and contribute to DoD missions. The Credit Center organized the workshop of Mission Critical Big Data Analytics. This two-day workshop covered state-of-the-art research and development in big data analytics, especially for mission-critical applications. There were keynote speeches by invited renowned speakers and tutorial sessions with hands-on training. Research works of cutting-edge research topics in big data was presented, plus a poster session and a demo session where students presented their work. Dr. Sean Chen Kim is a chief scientist and executive professor at the Department of Electrical and Computer Engineering and director of the CRI Center for Computational Systems Biology at the Prairie View A&M University, initiated by funding from Texas A&M University Systems Chancellor's Research Institute, CRI, and Prairie View A&M University. Prior to this appointment, he was the head of computing unit and an associate professor at Integrated Cancer Genomics Division of Translational Genomics Research Institute, TGen. He was one of the founding faculty members of TGen, founded in 2002 by Dr. Trent, then scientific director of the National Human Genome Research Institute at the National Institutes of Health. Dr. Kim is well recognized in the field of bioinformatics and computational systems biology research, both nationally and internationally, with more than 70 peer-reviewed articles with more than 5,000 citations. His research interests include 1. Mathematical modeling of genetic regulatory networks. 2. Development of computational methods to analyze multitude of high throughput multi-omics data to identify disease biomarkers. And 3. Computational models to diagnose patients or predict patient outcomes, for example, disease subtypes of drug response. His studies have had a large influence on the development of computational tools to study underlying mechanisms for cancer development and better understand the molecular mechanisms behind cancer biology and biological systems. The Center for Computational Systems Biology (CCSB) at the peer-reviewed A&M University was established in 2017 through funding from the Texas A&M University Systems Chancellor's Research Initiative (CRI) to become a nationally recognized computational systems biology research center. The vision of the Center for Intelligent Systems, Control and Robotics (CISCO) is to use state-of-the-art technology to develop practical solutions for problems in systems, control and robotics for applications in industry and government. CISCO represents a cooperative approach for conducting interdisciplinary research in the automated systems area across 2 departments, mechanical and electrical and computer, in the FAMU FSU College of Engineering and the FSU Department of Scientific Computing and Computer Science. The center's goal is to provide a means for the state of Florida to achieve national prominence in the area of automated systems and to assume a leadership role in the state of Florida's technology of the future. Established in 2003, CISCO has become a leading center in Florida for the development and implementation of technologies related to intelligent systems, control, and robotics. Ball State Virtual Reality Laboratory is to introduce students to virtual reality (VR) hardware, software, and provide an opportunity for them to apply this knowledge to applications for education and games. This laboratory applies cutting-edge VR technology currently available in academia and industry. The lab applies research methods from social science and artificial intelligence, software engineering, data science, and data visualization to address the challenge of including social, emotional, and communication factors in several applications, including healthcare and evacuation. The testing, evaluation, and control of heterogeneous large-scale systems of autonomous vehicles Center was initially funded by the DoD Air Force Research Laboratory as a Center of Excellence in Autonomy in 2015. The Tech Lab Center, led by North Carolina Agricultural and Technical State University, NCA&T, is comprised of a strong multidisciplinary team and synergizes expertise in control, communication, and human cognition from NCA&T and its collaborator, University of Texas, San Antonio. The center is also partnering with Southwestern Indian Polytechnic Institute, SIPI, to provide and promote education, outreach activities, and curriculum development to a larger Native American community. Tech Lab is a multidisciplinary center of excellence in autonomy that will conduct collaborative and integrated research to address 2 fundamental grand challenges. 1. Teaming and cooperative control of large-scale autonomous systems of vehicles, LSASVs, integrated with human operators. 2. Testing, evaluation, validation, and verification of LSASVs. LAIA, Lab for Artificial Intelligence and its Applications, is a physical space, a research lab, and a community of practice in Department of Mathematics and Computer Science at Coppin State University, led by Dr. Leshiel Hartley. Within it, student research scientists collaborate to enhance their skills by learning, using, and creating technologies, software and hardware to improve the community around us. These technologies focus on applications of artificial intelligence and related computing technologies. Our research, including expert systems, intelligent tutoring systems, intelligent robotics, game design and development, undergraduate research experiences, pre-K to 16 computer science and computer engineering education, cultural relevance and ethics. Thanks for your attention and time.